Hello, so this is my first try for Screenomatic. I'm currently trying to make the 1 to 2 minute video that's necessary right here. So as you can see, I'm on week 4 of this class, and I'm currently just doing this first because I thought it would be one of the most time-consuming things to knock out, although funny enough, it only takes 1 to 2 minutes to record this. But so right now we're at 35 seconds, and I'm thinking of how I'm going to do this assignment currently. I'm going to revise such things. I am curious how this is due July 7th, yet we're in week 4, and week 4 is June 24th through June 30th. I'm assuming that she just wanted us to have enough time to do it. So, I don't know. I'm just trying to fill up some time here. But this is my 1 minute video, a little over a minute video, on screencasts, and I think it's actually a relatively easy device. So, that's my video.